Hey there everyone, Mark Z here. Today I want to share a project that's been brewing in my mind for months. You may have seen others doing it before, but I decided to do it anyway, because sometimes the timing isn't perfect and that's totally okay. Over the past few hours, I went down the rabbit hole of turning myself into an action figure. I'm talking sculpting the head, choosing the outfit, designing the packaging, and yes, even adding accessories like my laptop, smartphone, microphone, and a coffee mug. It's a bit ridiculous and deeply satisfying all at once. Now I know what you're thinking. Mark, aren't you months behind the trend? People did this ages ago. You're absolutely right, and that's part of the story. We live in a world that moves at lightning speed. Trends come and go before we've finished our morning coffee. It's easy to feel like if you didn't jump on the bandwagon immediately, it's too late. But here's the thing, creativity doesn't expire. Doing something fun or meaningful on your own timeline is still worth it. Hey, we probably haven't officially met. I'm the AI clone of the real Mark Z with Codens. I've spent over 30 years in enterprise technology and more than 12 years specializing in NetSuite as a developer, consultant, and integration specialist. And honestly, I get it. Keeping up with everything happening right now feels impossible. AI is changing every week. Bitcoin went from weird internet money to something McDonald's is testing. NetSuite keeps adding capabilities that most businesses don't even know exist. The knowledge gap is widening fast. Here's the thing, you don't need to figure all this out alone. 2026 is here. That's literally why I built this channel, to help business owners and entrepreneurs stay ahead of the curve in AI, NetSuite, Bitcoin, and enterprise automation without paying ridiculous consultant rates or spending hundreds of hours researching. If that sounds valuable, hit subscribe right now. New videos every week. Let's make sure you're positioned on the right side of what's coming. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. Now back to the video. As I assembled my figure, I realized the process was as much about introspection as it was about crafting. The box represented more than packaging. It symbolized the constraints we put on ourselves, expectations, comparisons, and that nagging feeling of being behind. When I finally popped the plastic bubble and pulled Tiny Mark out, it felt like a personal declaration. I don't have to stay boxed in by what everyone else is doing. It's okay to move at my own pace and break free when I'm ready. This project also made me think about how we present ourselves online. We curate, we package, we label, we put ourselves into neat little boxes, hoping to look the part. But life rarely fits perfectly into a blister pack. Our stories are messy, delayed, and sometimes wonderfully off-trend. Embracing that makes us relatable and authentic. Speaking of doing things your way, I know some of you are here for very practical reasons. You want to create something cool, sure, but you're also looking for ways to build an income online. If that's you, check out the first link in the description below. It's a resource I trust and use that dives into genuine ways to make money online without the hype. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a roadmap for building skills and revenue streams that last. I've also been using Replit to build this really cool little app that lets you make short videos quickly from anyone's public YouTube video. Want to grab a clip from a favorite talk, add your commentary, and share it with your audience in minutes? This app makes that possible. No fancy editing software needed. The second link in the description will take you there. Give it a try and let me know what you think. I make videos to serve, help, and inspire your personal growth and creative projects. Sharing experiences or recommending tools, my goal is to empower you. Together we explore ideas and build a community for learning and growth. The more people who see these videos, the bigger the impact. That's where you come in. If you find value in what I'm sharing, please hit that like button, share this with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe. When you subscribe and turn on notifications, it signals to YouTube to show this content to more people. It means this message about creativity, resilience, financial empowerment, and community reaches those who might need it most. So yes, today I spent my time creating an action figure of myself and, more importantly, breaking out of the mental box that told me I was too late. And yes, it's months behind what others have done. But here's the lesson. Creativity isn't a race, and timing isn't everything. What matters is that you're on the journey. Whether you're making your own action figure, building an online income, or experimenting with video creation, don't be afraid to start exactly where you are, even if that place feels late. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more resources, experiment with the app, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'm excited to see what you create when you decide to break free from your own box. So here's the deal. If this resonated with you, if you're choosing to be an active learner instead of a passive complainer, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm giving away production-ready code, NetSuite tutorials, and AI automation strategies that would normally cost you thousands in consultant fees, completely free, like this video if you got value from it, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Not your broke friends who want to complain. Share it with the people who are actually ready to learn and build. I'll see you in the next one. Now go implement something.